So guys, pag masakit ulo ko, ganito ginagawa ko. Sana sinabi mo
hindi na umasang may tayo pa sa uli. Sana sinabi mo tayong dalawa'y sasaya sa mundong mapay. Bigla sinabi mo biglang nalaman ko na hinihintay.
Good morning. We're in Circular 8 to 10 training. Joseph's making us do a line again.
Yup.
I don't want to condition it yet. Thank you, BB.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Face off. We're gonna start first with our basic lunges and reach. Lunges and reach. 3, 2. May one pa. Ready, set. Ready, set. Good morning. So wake up in the morning and I step outside. Take a deep breath and I get real.
Bigyan kita ng cinematography, boy.
I stay loose, I stay hype. I stay loose, I stay hype. I stay loose, I stay hype. I could do this all night, cause I do what I like. Yeah, I do what I like. Yeah, I do what I like. Sipping goose, sip is right. And I go with the flow. Yeah, I go with the flow. Yeah, I go with the flow. Cause I know I'm the show.
Vince, nakita mo to, putang ina mo.
In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. In the zone, here I go. Yeah, they know I'm a pro. Let's go, let's go.
Nakita nyo ginagawa nyo sa team? Kayo mga absent? Ang dami naming sprint. Nangyaya kayo?
No.
Dapat dito, Joseph, pwede yung ano eh.
Di ba ako pwede humiga?
Deserve ba? Deserve? Deserve ba tubig?
Oh, let's ask the audience.
Putang yan, check mo pa makukuha yung sagot na audience. Ganito. Water break. 2 minutes. We'll do our routes. Okay? Drop balls. 10 push-ups. Okay? Let's go, bring it in. Lahat to including DBs.
Hindi. Yep.
Hey, mag-ED din lang kayo.
Sige, sige.
We're going 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Let's go. If I go, I'ma get. When I flow, I'ma hit. And I know I'm the kid. I'm a soul, don't forget. I'ma blow up winning. Got my flow so vivid. Here we go, just beginning. Yeah, I throw every inning. Got my flow so legit. All I know is my shit. Where I go, they come with. Post Malone in this bitch. Rockstar making hits. Got guitar in this shit. Leaving scars cause we lit. All these bars that I spit. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. If I know what I want, then I know what I get. If I go, they come with, cause they know I get lit. I'm a pro, not a myth, and my flow got some wit. Never slow, drink a fit. I get hype, I get lit. Here I go, I get lit. Here I go, I get lit. Here I go, I get lit. I get hype for right.
Babawi ako.
Gawa tayo. Babawi siya. Gawa na tayo content. Parang nga ako phone. Sino may phone?
Anong content?
Kunwari tinex.
Pa-text ka kay... sorry.
Hindi ba ng text? Parang ano lang, tapos maglagay ka ng bubble.
Oh.
Tapos lagay mo... May ka sasabihin.
Ano, i-caption na lang lagay ko, caption.
Hindi, lalagyan mo name ng ano, kunwari.
Oh, sige,
ano
anong name?
Endearment lang,
Name, drop the name, boy.
Ano na lang. Ano na lang. Misis ko.
What's that?
Ayan.
Puta.
Daniel Padilla.
Ngayon ba?
Last drive tayo, tapos shoot tayo.
Last drive, ako pa ulit.
Ah.
Ano?
Ikaw na. Hindi, first place si Roy kasi
Gawin na rin tayo. Babawi ako.
kailangan natin pa-complete si Q.
Sige.
Outside.
Nakabawi.
Oo, alam ko mangyayari yon para sa content ng for the sake of Sonics. So sige, dinner na lang.
Side snap. Okay. Tapos mag-start na lang. Side snap. Vedik una. Sunod ako. Okay.
Second ko na ko.
Doon na lang. Bala kayo. Bala na lang. Stay out of the way.
Wait lang, second ko na ko. Zoom! Sorry, content.
4 hours after na-track sa Find My iPhone nasa Green Hills.
Pinuntahan niyo pa.
Nasa Green Hills?
Gusto pa nila kanina maglagay.
Kasi mga CCTV na ako.
Ang ganda na ng airflow!
Training today, guys. Okay, so it's been a great training with Stingrays and Supersonics. Two lovable teams. Grabe. Yung talent ngayon. Grabe, I can't explain it. I can't put words into existence of how great these teams are. Okay, so see you in the next vlog. Sonic Stingrays signing out.
Diba, we have to get back on track. Please, I highly encourage you guys to help me set that one. Okay, today was chill. It was really chill, diba? So the following trainings will all be character testing. We're basically looking forward for what? To August 30. Diba? Mga absent, please make sure to pakita kayo next training. Today was understandable since it's a Sunday. It's not our usual schedule. But rest assured, ayusin natin yung schedule. So, yun lang. Thank you everyone for showing up today. And yeah, good work. Good effort for Tama. 1, 2, 3, Sonics!